Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn content calendar with Trello boards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your Trello board. Locate the board dedicated to your LinkedIn content calendar. Click on the board to open it. You'll see various lists representing different stages of your content planning. Identify the list where you currently track your LinkedIn posts. To add a new post, click on Add a Card at the bottom of that list. Enter a compelling title for your LinkedIn post. Next, click on the card to open it for further details. In the description area, outline the key points you want to convey. Consider adding links to resources or articles that support your content. Move to the due date section and select a date for when the post should go live. Set reminders to ensure you stay on track. Now, if you use images or videos, attach relevant files by clicking on Attachment. You can also integrate checklists for tasks needed before the post goes live. After adding all necessary details, click Save. Feel free to move the card to another list if it's relevant to a different category. To monitor your progress, check the card regularly and update it as needed. When you publish the post on LinkedIn, return to Trello and mark it as completed. This helps you keep track of your content strategy effectively. Repeat these steps for each new post you want to add to your calendar. Utilizing Trello helps visualize your content flow and deadlines. Regular updates ensure your LinkedIn presence remains active and engaging. With a few simple clicks, your LinkedIn content calendar will be up to date. Take some time to review and refine your strategy periodically. Adjust your approach based on audience engagement and analytics. By staying organized with Trello, you enhance your LinkedIn content planning. Remember, consistency is key to building a strong presence on LinkedIn. Using this method, you can simplify content management for better results. Now you are ready to create engaging LinkedIn content seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.